Thank you so much for viewing, and thank you for joining the Shell Stream program powered by NIHERST. We have made all these courses available on the Ministry of Education's website, and you could find that at learn.moe.gov.tt. So head on across there and get those courses. You don't want to miss out. Also, please, we ask you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go hit that subscribe button, click the like button, click the notification button so you could be updated with more educational and informative materials such as this one. And lastly, follow us on our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Be part of the community, and let's do this thing together, and we'll see you next time.